Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oneplus TV and the accessory both support Bluetooth. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, power the accessory and enable discoverable mode so the TV can find it. Now pick up the remote, press Home, go to Settings, then Remote and Accessories, and open Bluetooth. You do this first because the TV must be scanning while the accessory broadcasts. Otherwise, pairing will fail and you'll loop back to step 1 unnecessarily. You now scan for devices and watch the list populate. Patience matters because some accessories take 5–10 seconds to appear. When the accessory shows, select it and respond to any PIN prompt. Either accept the shown code or enter it on the accessory if required. Make sure to allow requested permissions, such as audio output or remote input, so the TV routes sound correctly. Once paired, the TV saves the accessory. Make sure it's set as the preferred. You finish by testing playback. Play a video and confirm audio comes through the Bluetooth device. If there's no sound, go to TV audio output and select the paired device. Sometimes you must toggle TV volume or reselect output. If pairing fails or drops, unpair on both devices and repeat the process. This clears cached profiles. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restart the accessory, power cycle the TV, and check for a firmware update. These steps fix most stubborn Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.